You could live for a year off the leftover peanut butter crackers, goldfish, and chicken nuggets that are floating around in my car right now. Well, they're not floating, but they're in my car right now. I'm going to show you the 6 ways that I organize my van for simple living. This is to create a process for me to get out of the house with less by keeping it in the car. I used to walk out of the house with a diaper bag, my purse, a bag of extra clothes for each kid, the travel potty, cleaner, baby wipes, snacks. Like, I had a checklist of things that I had to get out the door every day with, just things that I knew I needed on the road, either as a backup or I knew I would need because the day was going to be long. Now I just keep them in the car and I have them. I don't know why this genius didn't occur to me before I tried living like a minimalist, but in the last 30 days, 1, my backpack. I have a backpack that I leave back there that I can reuse when we go somewhere. So if we stop somewhere impromptu to go for a walk or a hike, if we go to a restaurant, if we go to visit someplace and I need to grab some activities or some extra supplies, I have got my activity bag and my diaper bag goodies. And then I pack the backpack for what we need for that particular outing. So it's got diapers, wipes, a change of clothes for each kid. Number 2, restaurant supplies, restaurant activity supplies. So just a couple of things, but these are things that they only get when we go inside a restaurant or a doctor's appointment. Purple Alphabet does a great job of showing you ideas for restaurant or activity bags. I'll leave a link for her channel below. But these are supplies that I grab, I toss in the backpack to go into a doctor's appointment or to go into a restaurant. These are things that are only available to them at those times. Third thing is first aid. I have a first aid kit here. 4, I'm going to call this category roadside. It has anything that I might need for the car on the roadside. We have roadside assistants that I can phone and get help, of course, and I have family members that I can call. But this is, if I'm stuck on a roadside, either from a flat tire or bad traffic, whatever reason, these are the essentials that I need. I need a travel potty. I have 3 kids. 2 are potty trained, 1 is currently potty training, but all 3 kids cannot hold it if we're stuck in traffic or have a flat tire. Number 5, snacks. A kid that has decided to start a growth spurt while we're in the car and is having a meltdown about peanut butter crackers, I can toss a package back there. And number 6, my cleaning kit. It's got cleaners, cleaner wipes, bags, baby wipes to clean like the dash and stuff, trash bags, and paper towels. It has everything that I need to clean the car and also clean the potty. And that is how I organize my van. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below for any ideas that you have that might help me organize the van better for day to day. I post videos about minimalist living, homeschool, van organization, recipes, mom life, things like that. So if you like that, click the subscribe button and the notification bell.